What is up and welcome to another video. So today is our last day in Marbella and I've got to say it's been an amazing place to come stay for the last over a month, and we've enjoyed every single minute of it, and we're actually quite sad to be leaving. We did look into staying here a bit longer, but in March the rent here doubles if not triples in cost because it's coming into the summer and it gets a lot more busy. So it's on to the next adventure. And we've got something really exciting planned, which you're going to see later on in the vlog. Also this week I have updated my equipment. I was vlogging on my phone, and this week I picked up the Canon M50, which I think is perfect for vlogging and a great camera to start off with. Another purchase that I made this week, which I'm really happy about and you're going to see in this video. Actually in a couple of minutes I'm going to be giving it a little test. I picked up the Mavic Mini drone. This will be my first drone. I've never owned one before, so I thought this was a great one to start off with. And yeah, so you guys are going to be seeing some footage of that in a minute, and I'm super excited to show you where we're heading on our next adventure. But now it's time to fly this drone, and I'm gonna not go near the water today because this is the first flight, and I don't want to going in the water for the first time using it. So gonna play it safe today, do a little fly around the beach, and yeah, take it easy. So let's go. So we're about to do the thirst. Okay, so here goes the first test flight. Just gonna power on the drone. Ooh. There we go. Okay, so that was so much fun flying the drone, and I actually went out over the water a little bit and I got some height with it and just played around and just took it easy for the first go. So I'm really excited to get more shots with that and show you guys and check out the footage later and we'll see how it looks. So we are just going to enjoy ourselves for the next hour on the beach and lie down and relax, and then we got to head home and we got to pack for tomorrow and get the house ready. So we'll see you in the morning for the next adventure. Good morning, we're up bright and early to start today's adventure, and as you can probably see, I'm very tired. We didn't get too much sleep because we went to bed late and it's an early start, but nevertheless, coffee sorts that out, and yeah, we're super excited to start the day and head on our journey. So we need to, our Uber has just arrived, so we're gonna head out. Let's go. We have made it to the bus station and we are on time, and we're just waiting for our bus now. Where we're going is only about 2.5 hours away, and yeah, super excited to get on the road. I'm not going to reveal where we're going just yet, but it's only about 2 hours drive, while on the bus it's about 2.5 hours. So yeah, I'm going to let you guys see when we get there. Okay, so we've just got into our Airbnb and it's absolutely amazing. It's probably one of the best we've stayed in. We only booked it like 2 nights ago, and it's actually brand new. It's only been stayed in once or twice. So we're really happy with where we're at. And yeah, we're about to get ready to go out and show you where we are. And also, I'm really excited because my best friend Kian is here, which you'll be seeing in just a minute. We're gonna be meeting him, but he has the day planned out. And yeah, it's gonna be so much fun. So let's get into it. How's it going? Hello. Hey. Hi. Brother. Right, so here's my best mate. Cian Sweeney.
What's up?
So I haven't actually announced where we are, so I'm gonna let Cian say where we are. Where are we, man?
You're in Granada, baby.
Oh yeah, we're in Granada. So that wraps up this week's vlog, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, please smash that like button down below. It really helps me out. And if you're new here to the channel, please hit that subscribe button. There's going to be so much more content coming. We're in Granada for the next month, so I'm going to be making a detailed video of a travel guide to Granada. Can't wait to show you. There's so much to show you and so much to talk about. So I will see you in that next video. Peace out.